rough videos.
Hi, my ILS students. Let's take a deep breath in. Inhale up. And exhale down. Inhale up. And exhale down. We are doing our math, and we've already done the snowman, the Christmas tree, and the gingerbread boy. This last one is a snowflake. So the snowflake offers such a great opportunity to practice either skip counting or multiplication, whatever you want to do, but we can do it in so many different ways. So again, I have my dry erase marker and my sheet protector so that I can put this on here and I can write. Now, if you have your glue, you can finish it up while you're doing it, but we can talk about counting how many points. So you can do a main count of how many points are there on the snowflake. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 points. Notice how I put my finger here after I counted this one so that I knew where I started. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, here's another question. How many points are on each one? 1, 2, 3. So that would be a multiplication problem or a skip counting situation. So you can do 6 times 3 equals, and again, you can just count it up the easiest way you can, or you can use your calculator, or you can skip counting. Let's try counting first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So now I know that 6 times 3 equals 18. Now if you want to practice your skip counting, you can go 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. Or use your calculator. Now, we're going to talk about how we want to decorate it. How do we want to decorate this? We can talk about more or less, more or fewer. You can have a long line to each one. You can have just one in the center. Do you want to have 1? Or do you want to have, you could do a whole line. Let's see. I don't know how many that would be. We could estimate how many it would take to go across. And do we want to go across all that way or all that way? Let's estimate how many it would take to just fill up this one section. I'm going to estimate this is going to take 7 gems. So my estimate is 7. Let's see how many it is. And I can use any color I want because I am trying to figure out how many it would cost to go all the way around. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, that's funny. I'm getting a pattern without even trying. Now I want to stick with my pattern. 5, 6. Okay. I think that covers it. So 6. So I estimated 7 when it's actually 6. It's a little bit more than 6. You can see we have a little more space. So it's 6 across, 1 snowflake. So that means to go down here would be another 6. So we can do that. We'll do a different pattern. 1. So this is kind of fun. You're going to do patterns on this one. You can do patterns on all of them. But I love all these different ideas you can do just having fun doing art and math together. Such a great opportunity. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I get 1 more. 6. So now we know that these two together are 6. There you can do 6 plus 6, or you can do 6 2 times 2. You're gonna get the same answer. So count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 6 2 times is 12, which means 6 plus 6 is 12. So now we have our pattern that we're working on. Pattern's another great thing to work on. And now we're estimating how far is going to be all the way across. We know that so far we've used 12. So now we have to estimate how much this one section is. I'm going to say this one section is 9. We'll find out. Let's find out. I'm going to do a whole nother pattern again. This time we'll use all the white. What's the other color I haven't used yet? I think I've used all the other colors, haven't I? Yep, I have. So let's do this. Oh, and blue. That's a good one. Let's get the blue there. Okay, here we go. Our new pattern is white and blue. And you know what? You could even do these are all A, B, A patterns. A, same, you know, purple, green, purple, green, purple. We could do an A, A, B, A. So let's try that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I think Miss Kelly is consistently going 1 over. So I estimated it would be 9. What it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What it is 8. So it was, how many was I off? You can do a subtraction problem. 9 minus 8, I was 1 off. I was 1 off. Try this again. How many was I off the first time I estimated? 7 minus 6. So you can do the 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I was 1 off both times. And I have another pattern. The white, white, blue, white, white, blue, white, white. And if I had another space, we'd have another blue one. So again, you can do so many math problems, even figuring out, you can estimate, you can subtract to find out how many you were off, or you can do focus on doing patterns. You can talk about each one of these and make a multiplication problem, an addition problem. There's so many opportunities doing these, and while you're doing it, practicing your colors and your fine motor skills. Have fun with these. Make something pretty. I cannot wait to see how these turn out. We're going to be sharing these so I can see your beautiful artwork. I hope you're doing great. I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.
Rough videos.